Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and slowly but surely everything's getting a little bit better. I actually cooked on my Blackstone last night. We did some pork chops, and I know I've made a lot of stuff with my jalapenos. What I've been doing recently is, and these are hot as can be, I did some pickled jalapenos. They're almost too hot for me to even eat, but you gotta keep trying them, right? I made jalapeno jelly, good stuff, and I did that shorts on my jalapeno hot sauce. This stuff is really good. I used that orange pineapple apple juice instead of water with this, so it is a little sweet, but brings the heat, so it's not super hot. It's really delicious. Been trying to catch up on everything, and speaking of catching up on everything, I've got a few stickers that I've received in the mail that we've exchanged, and before we get started today, let's go out and show you the stickers I got. Get them on. Before we get on the cook, let's start with putting our stickers up. The first one I got for you today is 1526 Barbecue. That's Tony over there at 1526 Barbecue. Go give him a check out. Look at his channel, subscribe, like, you know the drill, right? So Tony, thank you so much for sending me this. Tony's got a great channel. Hey, all these guys got great channels, so you'll just have to go check them out, see how great they are. Tony, I've been following Tony for a long time. We're gonna stick Tony's sticker. Let's just put him right there. 1526. Okay, this next guy, a lot of you already know. We've got a lot of common friends in the barbecue community. If you haven't seen this guy's channel yet, you'll want to go check him out. This is Patrick at Patty Joe Cooking. Patrick is down there in Australia from the land down under. Patrick, I am going to get you my sticker sent. I'm sorry everything's been delayed, but life's been crazy, as most of you know if you watch my channel. So we're going to get Patty Joe's Cooking up here. We're going to stick that guy right in between. We'll get Patrick right there. And these are a lot of great channels. And then the last sticker that I've got to do an update on is Craig, Behind the Garage Barbecue. Craig and I chat quite often. He's right here. He updated his stickers. He had a thing on Instagram. Look at there. Behind the Garage Barbecue. He's got his channel logos. He's on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Go check him out. Behind the Garage Barbecue. Craig does some very awesome cooks. You have to go look at his channel. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment. Same thing. All these channels are incredible. So I am honored to even have these stickers on my beer fridge. And we'll put his old ones there, so we'll put the new one right here. All right. Let me move my magnet a little bit. All right, there you go, Craig. All right, we've got Craig's updated sticker. If you are interested in one of my stickers, that's this one right here. Or I've got magnets. If you request them, I'll send you one of each. They will stick right on your fridge or anywhere metal that you want to stick them. All right, now let's get outside and we'll get this cooked on. Okay, right. Bunch of great channels. Again, thank you guys for sending those. Now today we're just gonna do a quick cook. I've been wanting to do this for a while, haven't done it. I'm gonna make some cheese chips, fried cheese chips. I'm gonna do some with Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna do some with sharp cheddar cheese. Now the Parmesan cheese, the chips will be probably a little stiffer, a little crunchier. And then we're gonna try it with the hot sauce. I will taste one of them with this really super hot pickled, and I'll try chip with this jelly. This jelly is really good. I made 3 different batches. Anyway, this one's kind of the medium hot. And yeah, you can use bag cheese. You can shred your cheese. I've eaten, it's supposed to be better for you. Not supposed to have whatever they put on here to keep them from sticking together. But hey, you know what? We're going for it. So let's get these on the Blackstone and show you how easy this is. Okay, I've got this Blackstone on a medium-high heat. And all you got to do is take your cheese, put it on here. You can see how it's smoking. Okay, just put a little blob of cheese. About the size of a chip. Now, I did take a jalapeno out, a little hot little booger, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick that on one of them. I'm going to be brave and do that for you. It's definitely going to be hot. Okay, you can see how the cheese is all bubbling right here, which is good. You want to get them nice and brown and crisp up. I flip mine. I guess you could just let them go until they cook all the way. I like to flip them. These are good little snacks for a game day or any day, really. Look at that. Now this only takes a few minutes, maybe a minute and a half on each side. I'm going to check them. Looks like they're doing pretty good. That's been about a minute and a half. I did start this. Forgot to get the play. There they are. The ones I already made. There's the one with the jalapeno in it. That's going to be a hot one. Got a nice plate of some crispy Parmesan chips. Now they break apart like that. Good stuff. Okay, now we're going to do some of the sharp cheddar. Same thing. Here looks like it's already ready to flip. Sharp cheddar wants to curl up when you do that. All right, that's all there is to it. Look at these. There you go. There's the ones with the jalapenos in them. We'll give those a taste. Look at that. Okay, so that's how easy it is to make a quick snack for any. You got people coming over for watch football or just a get together. We got the Parmesan chips and the sharp cheddar chips. Come out darker. They're orange to start with, so let's give these a try. I'm gonna try some. Let's see. Let's just go the sharp cheddar. Very good. Parmesan. Man, both are great by themselves. Now, I'm going to use some of my jalapeno sauce that I made. This stuff is so good. So good. I'm going to be sad when I run out. Anyway, we're going to take some of that. Man, that is really good. Try it on the Parmesan. Both of them, outstanding. Okay. All right, so just to try to help me out a little bit, here's the one with the jalapeno on it. I am gonna put a little dab of sour cream on there and see if it helps with that heat, because you may see me turn super red right now. I don't know. Here we go. All right. That's a hot bite. The sour cream and the cheese definitely help tame them down, but that's still a very spicy bite. But I'm not scared, right? You scared? I ain't scared. Let's put a little dab on the one with the sharp cheddar. Ooh. All right. I gotta tell you, that's pretty good. The cheese and the sour cream did help tame those little hot bites down, but it's still pretty hot. Okay. Now, my jalapeno jelly. Let me get some of that. This stuff is so good. Little jelly on that cheese chip. Man, I could put that jelly on shoe leather and it would be good. Very good. That was a Parmesan chip. Now it is a little interesting to have this jelly on a cheese chip. But like I said, hey, I don't care. This jelly is so good, it's good on everything. Now it's on the sharp cheddar. Yep. So delicious. I'm telling you. If you want a great snack, you could do them plain, sour cream, anything you can think of to top these. You could even make like a nacho plate. Just put your salsa or whatever on here. I didn't have any of my homemade salsa left, so I didn't get to dip this in any, but just plain, crunchy, delicious cheese chips. I might just eat this whole plate myself. All right, man. Well, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching my try to make a comeback here on the Blackstone. It's been tough. It's been 6 weeks since I've used it. I used it last night. I'll get back in the swing of things. Things have just been tough lately. And hey, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Hit the like, subscribe, ring the bell. We will see you on the next cook. As long as you come back, leave a comment.